Well, basically, I'm a Reba, so I don't really know much about the Tasbih and everything. I've only researched a bit on it. And I wanted to know how it came about, because I was told that it's to remind ourselves of Imam Ali, how he died, and how like the walking on coals to remind ourselves of the sisters and the children that walked on the sands. So does anyone have any other views on it, or is there a different reason for Tasbih being done?
Okay, so somebody can take that point in the discussion. I think Sheikh did mention it at the beginning, but do you want to mention?
Yeah, until 19th century it didn't exist in the Shia Muslim community. It was introduced from outside Shia community, and then because the ulama, for some reason, they were not that strong to oppose it, it became a practice.
این بی‌سوادهایی که غلط میکنن میگوین آهسته گریه کنید، امام ششم رئیس مذهب حدیث این حدیث فقیهی فقها بر افتادن، فقیه ناینیه، فقیه بروجردیه، فقیه حائریه، فقیه اینانند که میگویند سینه بزنید، زنجیر بزنید، خون هم جاری بشه. این فقیه، فقاهت اینه.